Hi Ken, this is how you will replace the Ethernet cable, the internal Ethernet cable of the ultrasound machine. Open the bay and check if you have a locking screw in here. If you have one, remove it. After you remove the screw, you can easily remove the panel using the flat screwdriver. And then you can remove it with your hands. And then in here you will see the RJ45 right here. You can remove the cable, and then this cable goes from here to the back of the machine to here. Then you can remove that. Basically you can replace the whole Ethernet cable by opening the bay and removing the Ethernet cable from here, and then from here, and yeah, I think that's it.